It's my first solo video! Definitely makes me kind of nervous due to some PTSD related issues. And you never know when anxiety will strike. But after having some time to roll out the idea right in my head, I've come to the conclusion that I'm willing to try and may possibly even be a little excited about the experiment at hand. So blast off! Hi, I'm Dorothy the Bullet. I make juicy, Jimmy jewelry and various other gorgeous goods. My work is colorful, eccentric, and sometimes a little spooky. I take from the natural world around me as much as I possibly can. My bee carcasses are ethically sourced from a hive on our property that is older than I am. I have a fantastically nerdy bone lady who services me in all my bony needs. All of my gemstones are real and sourced carefully. All of my sparkles are true Swarovski embellishments, and that is why they shine as marvelously as they do. I have been pursuing crafty brilliance since I was small, and that had a lot to do, I'm sure, with the influences around me. My earliest days were saturated with art and fantastic creators. It built up somewhat of an unrealistic expectation for life. There was so much fun and magic. But all things, even the good ones, must end eventually, and after those powerful formative years, my life changed. I ended up growing up on both sides of the track, which afforded me many valuable opportunities for perspective. I have had to grapple with big emotions and big experiences, and I've had to learn how to make the pain and the fear my friend. In the end, and to this day, all of that wonder and magic still fuels an incredible fire. Now, I will inform you that I will not be following the usual format that Lewis does. Occasionally, I may bring the viewer along with me on my journey of creation, but the process for me isn't always so straightforward. Each piece has a personality. I will often begin with one thing in mind, only to have the piece I am working on decide that it wants to do something completely different. I can think I am done with a thing, but that does not mean that I am. Each piece must decide for itself, and it shares with me when it feels done, complete. It often is a very stop-go process, and while I let colors or attitudes of stones commingle until I find the right combination, every piece is a brand new cosmic lock that must be picked apart bit by bit. So therefore, I will mostly be focusing on sharing with you how I managed to get through it all, which requires no small amount of mental and emotional gymnastics. Hi, come here. I feel like I've been practicing juggling for too long. 2 kids, a husband, my father, and a very active household. Along with our business. I have some health issues as well, so that makes it crucial that I find time to pursue some critical physical therapies. Not to mention the little tragedies that life likes to throw in along the way.
Here, let me take her for you.
There are many tools that I use to get through it all, and that's the real magic that I want to share. It's all a journey, and we can do it alone, or we can do it together. And this is Dorothy the Bullet signing off until next time. Come here.